Here's a quick tutorial on how I trap fruit flies and gnats in the spring and the summertime. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like. I don't know if you can see the gnats there in the bottom and the fruit flies. But it works pretty well. Now you can make it look, more fancy, or if you don't mind having a mason jar look, in your kitchen or around your fruit, then you can use a simple mason jar. So this is a used spaghetti jar. I save all my spaghetti jars because I always find a use for them. So I use a spaghetti jar and Saran Wrap as the trap. And I simply put, working with one hand, I got my kid here. So about 1.5 cups of water to the jar. And you'll do about 1/2 cup of vinegar. I use apple cider vinegar. You can also use red wine. We're gonna do 1/2 cup. Apple cider vinegar into the mason jar. And then I like to do 1 drop of dish soap. Next, we'll put the Saran Wrap over the top and make sure it's tight. And you can use a needle or a fork or something sharp to stick a couple of holes in the top. You only need a couple of holes. So I poked it 3 times. I have about 3 rows.
Be careful, please. Don't do that.
And that's it. So this lasts a couple of weeks. It goes a long way. I usually just change it out. Hold on, Mommy. There, you're okay. I usually just change it out because, I don't want dead fruit flies sitting around. And that's it.